Well, been a while since I did a little video, so I got some new parts. I got some new DIYs coming and stuff, but figured I'd do an unboxing for these new parts. Got a little gift pack from HybridRacing. Alright, I guess first I went ahead and picked up the HybridRacing fuel rail, black, since it's the only color it comes in. K-Tune stuff is good too, but I already got the HybridRacing intake, and I got a couple other HybridRacing things coming, so kind of just sticking with them. They make good parts, good quality stuff. This is the HybridRacing fuel rail. Looks really nice, finish is really good. Feels heavy, well made. It's got the little port there for the fuel pressure gauge. I might run that eventually, but kind of didn't really think about it when I ordered it. So, and they give you the option for the hookup for the stock fuel line, or if you have aftermarket fuel lines. So right now I just have the stock. So they send you this adapter for the stock fuel line, which is also really nice. Looks really well made. It goes right on the end, just like you would stock. Plugs right in there. Really nice. I like it. Little plug ports for whatever ports you're not using. 2 of those. Really good stuff. To go along with that, that was kind of just the side piece. This was the main thing here. I went ahead and ordered some RDX OEM injectors. These are completely OEM. This is all from HybridRacing. This comes as a kit. They send you all 4 injectors along with the pins and connectors, which is really nice. Takes all the work out for you. You can get the Toyota clips. I'll put the part number in this video right here, and they'll work. They will work also. But if you order this through HybridRacing as a kit, it's like almost 300 bucks, I think, for the whole kit. You get everything, and you know you're getting the right stuff. You're not getting knockoff RDX injectors, which is really common. I guess I'll open one up so you guys can see what they look like. All come individually wrapped. Oh, this is it. Brand new. So the knockoff RDX injectors, I was told the sure way to tell is that this green little O-ring here on the knockoff ones is like a dark green. And so as you saw in those pictures, that is the sure way to tell, is right off the bat, those O-rings. The bottom one will be like black or a dark green. And then on the top, this spot right here will be like blue, rather than like on these OEM ones, it's like a maroon or dark red. Sure way to tell, easiest way to tell. And then also, if you see them on eBay for 90 bucks for a brand new set of OEM RDX injectors, that'll tell you too. You're not gonna find a brand new set for 90 bucks. Also, as far as when you need to start upgrading your injectors, running the OEM, the RDX injectors, if you're anything over 90% cycle duty on the stock injectors, you could go ahead and upgrade. Like me right now on my logs at like 8,400 RPM, 8,300 RPM at 97% cycle duty. And if I rev any higher at like 86, they're at like 98% cycle duty. So they're totally maxed out. So this will be a way, the car will run a little better. I'll definitely pick up a little power with these. You do have to have a retune. If you upgraded these, you need to have a retune because they're going to flow a lot better. And probably pick up some gas mileage and a little power. I'll put the links for both of these down in the description, and part numbers and stuff on there for you guys. They'll be